In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an Alpha Futures account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to alphafutures.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description so you can be sure that it's the correct website that you are logging into. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to sign up for an account. And if you already have an account, you can just click login and then add your login credentials. From here, you'll need to add in your email address, first name, last name, country, date of birth, contact information like your phone number, and a password. You'll also need to submit this captcha down here, but if you want to just sign up with your Gmail account, you can do that by clicking continue with Google. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this once you're inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll see the dashboard, you'll see account stats, and all these different other things. But from here, you'll simply need to click Start New Challenge to buy an Alpha Futures account. From here, you can see Alpha Futures has 3 plans, either the standard plan, advanced plan, or zero plan, which offers different rule sets and different features. So you need to keep that in mind. From here, you'll need to select whether or not you want a 50k account, 100k account, or 150k account challenge. And once you find out, you'll just need to click Get Started. From here, you can see over at account type, we have chosen the standard plan, we have chosen the 100k account, and down here you'll need to enter your trading platform. Here you can either select Tradeovate or NinjaTrader, or Project X or Quantower. From this tutorial, I'm just going to choose Tradeovate or Ninja, and down here you'll see the billing address details where I can add your address to the billing. From here you'll see the payment method only supports Nuvei up here, and you can see the account information out here, and you can add a coupon code if you want to do that by clicking right here and then apply code. From here you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. All of these, just click these off and then click Make Payment. From here, you'll need to enter your credit card information and then click Pay. And congratulations, now you have bought your first Alpha Futures challenge and open it up an account. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!